Damn, I come home. Y'all running up here to see the damage ASAP.
How bad is it on a scale of 1 to 10?
10 being like totaled, it's like a 2.
I kind of figured it was mainly just body damage because it's like...
Yeah, it's all body, like dude, I mean, to me, like, body damage doesn't count. I mean, yeah, it's still something, but it doesn't affect the functionality of the car. It's mainly all in here. So this is my good side. And,
Oh, you did lose a headlight, I knew it.
yeah, these things aren't cheap. Freaking real cokey headlights, they be going for money these days now.
Oh, no. So you did break a tie rod or something?
Yeah, and definitely other bits of the angle kit up there for sure.
No frame damage though?
Not by the looks of it. This is in a little bit, but I don't think that should really affect the... I think you could maybe even see if you could pull it out a little bit or whatever,
Yeah,
but it should be fine. But as far as I'm concerned, I think the wheel is straight.
Oh, okay.
No, but you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, the wheel's supposed to be straight.
Yeah.
Alright, damage control. Time to see in depth how deep of a hole we've dug ourselves into from park. We got the car here. We got the flood of homies here. Dang, we got all the eyes now. So, yeah.
Rip it off.
Get fucked.
Oh, can I cut it off?
I don't think that would be the wisest.
It's not that bad. Did you even bend the arm? Yeah, like it looks fine. Wait. Huh. This doesn't look that bad.
I know. Well, to me, it didn't look that bad. It just clearly the tie rod, and then I'm not sure what else.
Yeah, the tie rod, that's hilarious.
I think you just bent the tie rod.
It's called tacoing.
Is it literally just the tie? Because the end link, that's the end link, right? That goes up to the sway bar. That's a little bit bent, but that doesn't even matter, right?
I'm surprised you still have a front sway bar.
Yeah, exactly. Most people don't even run a sway bar.
Yeah, I don't.
So, dude, this angle kit has been through it. Cause like the amount of times it's gone off track.
Yeah, a handful of times I heard.
Yeah, a handful of times just at park. And then one big time at the end. So, alright, well that's freaking cool. Now, we got fenders already over here.
So are we going to take it off or are we just going to leave it?
I mean, we could work to take that piece off. And
Are those Origin?
yeah, these are Origin.
Oh, I can't wait to see how shit they fit. Dude, you know what's awesome is Jesse's about to go off. Dude, what is this? What happened here?
He blocked off. Yeah, he blocked off the vent. He patched it up.
Why? I
don't know.
I liked the vent.
I like the vent too.
Oh, we gotta cut this.
But I'm not in the place to care, to be honest. I mean,
Yeah.
it's not every day that you crash your car and then just waiting on Facebook Marketplace is the exact same 20mm Origin fenders that are just for sale locally.
What is this even on to, man?
The side skirt.
Then let's disconnect it.
Yeah, we got disconnect. You gotta take out the bolt right down there.
Nice.
But yeah. I mean, I think that they had 20mm before, but they might be weaker and this might go further. I don't know, we'll see.
Hopefully they're wider.
If they're wider, like by a lot, then clearly we'd have to run both. But if it's like exactly the same, then I would just do this one.
But then you just have a vent on one side.
I don't care, dude. I don't.
That would be
style points.
Dude, that's literally style.
That would be so lame.
Dude, everyone knows that this is the side that got replaced anyway. Now I gotta take the rear bumper off because in the back, the freaking bash bar just pulled itself out. They strapped it up to the tow hook, and then the mounting point, or however is mounted on the right side, it just ripped it right out. So it's currently just on the ground. Yeah, it's just for... Yeah, it's just on the ground down there. So I'm gonna probably work on taking the rear bumper off too. I got it off.
Let's go. What do you got?
Hey, the bumper.
We took the chassis out with it.
Yeah, so this is what happened when we were trying to get a tow. They strapped it to the tow hook, which is down there, and then this just came out.
You're telling me Pat at Pat's Acres did this?
Well, I gave him consent to tow there.
Well, there's your problem.
Dude, look at this.
Is that from the wing?
Dude, I think that's been there.
That's totally from the wing.
Dude, my bash bar is ripping out of the chassis of the car, and you're gonna worry about this little
I was
scratch.
curious. I got ADHD, alright, man?
Okay.
Give me a break. Alright, well, that is kind of funny.
Can I just like delete this and then get an aftermarket bash bar?
I mean, yeah. For real, though. I don't know. I mean, it looks like it's just bolted on. I wonder if we can just like take that out. I don't know. I don't really know what I'm looking at, so I'm kind of just guessing.
I'm just wondering if that is reboltable, or...
I mean, Austin doesn't own one of these at all. So, I mean, we can start by just taking it off right now. This shit is mad strong, dude.
The razor or the bolt?
The razor.
Dang.
Dude, these were the skirts that Jesse and I, like,
Oh, I know.
were freaking tortured from,
Yeah.
because we flexed fiberglass.
Yeah, they're too small.
Because they were too small for either end, so they didn't wrap around either end of the wheel wells.
So you just like
So
pulled
we
it
just
apart?
pulled them,
Oh, God.
with God's strength, and we got them on there. Dude, can you just imagine the
If it's
second he gets it loose, it just goes.
Yeah.
Pops right
That's what I
out.
was gonna say. I wonder if it's just like used to
maybe
that now and it's like warped to that shape.
Maybe that's why it's so tough to get the shit off. Because there's just so much tension on it.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah.
there we go.
Come on, man. What do you mean?
Oh wait, there's something down there.
Yeah, through the door.
Yeah. Jesse on the vlog?
Dude, the return.
Dude, they've been asking about you.
I get like 30 DMs about it.
dirty DMs?
30.
Oh.
Like 30 DMs a day.
Homie's getting dirty DMs.
Yeah. I'm back.
15 now?
Yep. 15 now. Yeah, like, why don't you do videos with Jack? It's like, I just don't do car things anymore because the car doesn't run. So,
You gotta do car things to make the car run.
yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, hopefully by the summer
Yeah.
at this point.
Hot boy summer. Gotta get them S chassis back out. We're getting the replacement fender mocked up. Oh, you already freaking. Oh, he's already bolting on?
Literally
Oh,
installed.
Damn. These fit great.
These aren't actually too
I
bad.
was gonna say no, because see, I thought mine fit like shit until you mount the bottom part.
Uh huh.
Oh, I see. That fits great. Yeah.
Oh,
great.
that. Wait, test open the door?
I mean,
Hold on.
yeah, you're gonna have to like hold it out.
Hold like that. Okay, closed.
Oh, yeah, you're good.
Okay.
So everything's gonna be all good up until we get to here.
Curious how it's
Yeah,
gonna line up
forgetting
with the
blanket
hood.
on the brand.
Yeah, well, the hood was good.
Yeah.
It's just more like up here, like how do you.
Yeah.
Because then this gets all bent. Does this need to be
No, it's like this
trimmed?
metal piece like pushes in.
That might need to be trimmed.
Goofy, dude.
I know, but it's.
I don't see it getting mounted anywhere, so it probably doesn't matter
Oh,
too much
okay.
if we trim it.
Yeah, actually, it looks fine right there.
Yeah.
I wish I had corner lights so I could know for reference where they
Yeah.
will go.
Overrated, you don't need it.
But
We could try fitting up the other side and like look at that.
well, we're not taking that apart.
No? Okay.
You don't want to.
Fair enough.
I mean, you just spent how long trying to take this apart
Maybe it could have been done a more efficient way.
if you had a wheel off? Dang. So if you want an autographed signed piece, buy your merchandise at UltraMotiveShop.com, and who knows, you might get a piece of the cotton candy machine. We're not wasting any time. The rebuild is already in action. Yeah, we just wrap it pink. We just draw the livery to go with it.
I wanted to spray paint it.
Like the R8?
Like the Abo Moon cars.
Yeah.
The
Like
Apple Moon
Apple
cars
Moon
do
car.
do that, yeah.
Yeah.
One, yeah.
Yeah.
Doo-doo. That was a quality clip. He just looked serious in the camera.
Don't you hate when you use car terminology around people and they're like, why does he keep calling this piece of shit a D car? And why is he gonna go do D with his boys right now?
No, I'm the one who can actually relate to that.
Shut up.
Yeah, because nobody else calls it a D car but us. D was. No, in this fucking group. What do you call it?
I don't
Do you call your
know.
car a
Do you think the audience really knows what a D car is?
Hopefully,
Well, then enlighten them right now.
D car is a drift car.
Okay,
That's
yeah,
what
it's as simple
D
as that.
stands for.
Yeah.
Not
Nothing
Dick.
else.
Nitty.
Moby
Dignity.
Dick.
Penis car.
Whoa.
So, our summary of our S14 damage control. To start, I got the rear bash bar pretty much mounted back up in there. It's bolted on out of the way, so now I could once again remount the rear bumper. So, the rear end's all back in, solidified. That's all good. Now over here to the front end, we got the replacement fender, fully all mocked up, our origin 20mm over, and it actually comes out a bit further than I think the other side. That means I might have to also replace that side just to keep it symmetrical. I don't know, we'll see. But yeah, it looks good. I mean, it's not the best, but this is gonna be workable, and we're gonna move forward with this right here. And then as far as damage down in this area, it seemed like all we had was a bent tie rod, and I could literally move the wheel without moving the other side. So we got it disconnected from the outside, and then we'll have to disconnect it from the inside, but that seems to be the only thing that completely faulted in here. So I just gotta order and find myself a new tie rod, which really shouldn't be that hard. Even O'Reilly's and stuff might even have something like that. Replace that out, and then it'll definitely need an alignment of sorts. But the wheel and tire and all that stuff is fine. We could go back out to shredding, because that's just the only thing in the way, just that tie rod, and anything else that's functional. That's the only thing in the way from keeping me taking this out to the track. I don't care if it looks like this, I'ma still rip it. I actually might enjoy a little bit of a time period with the cotton candy machine being the cotton candy missile machine, because you know, it just won't make me as nervous and stuff, knowing that there's a lot more to lose if you have the car looking a lot more pretty. But of course, from there we will at least continue on. We'll wrap the fender. We can maybe work on getting the livery back. I still gotta source out a right Koki headlight. And then the corner light, I'm not sure. I have it, but I'm not sure if it will work. We'll see. And then it's just a bumper. I have a lot of different options, but I'm gonna just keep my eyes out for a good bumper. Now, worst comes to worst, we have the original Zenki bumper that this car actually came with when we bought it, and I thought it was really ugly, and I still kind of think it's really ugly, so someone else can buy that. I kind of held on to it for literally in the event that this would happen and I would be in dire need of a bumper, and the fact that it has happened and I still don't really want to run that means that I don't think I'll ever want to run that. So yeah, that's up for grabs, and I'm still just gonna find a different bumper out there. But yeah, that's literally like last on the list. I could drift this all day without a front bumper. I mean, we could flex out the pool noodle all we want, but you know, drift car life is not having a front bumper, and you don't have to worry about anything there. Just to be real nitpicky, while we were cleaning everything up, I also cleaned up the inside from our fire extinguisher mess that we had at the beginning of the day at park. So that should be a lot nicer. And also, so yeah, literally one night, all I was expecting was to actually just look at the damage and then make sure I knew what to order up, but it seems like all I need to order is a tie rod, and then from there on out, just keep an eye out for other parts. This is a lot smaller of a deal than I thought it was, or at least what the internet seems to make it out to be, because this happens all the time when you're learning how to drift. Out of almost all the drift guys I get to meet out there and stuff like that, they all have at least one incident of either wrecking or something going wrong and having to rebuild up beyond that. It's literally just a part of the game. And you know, I feel like there's definitely an internet overreaction to some extent on certain places like TikTok and others, where I'll just see like people literally saying rest in peace and thinking that this car is completely done for. But nah, I mean, hopefully this goes to show it was actually, I mean, yeah, it was maybe a lot physical with body panels, but body panels is all fiberglass. It's nothing. This car really took it like a champ, and I actually got really, really lucky with that incident. So this thing's really ready to move forward. We're gonna move forward. I won't be able to immediately get back out on track because we're taking a fun road trip with the R32 GTR, and we're going somewhere far, far away to have a lot of different content with that. But we'll get it out there definitely by April. Hopefully we'll have a drift event. But yeah, as always, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Go peep out the UltraMotive merch, and that definitely helps us out with funding the cost for doing stuff like this all the time, because drifting is not a cheap sport, but it is my passion and it is what I want to share with you guys. So I'm gonna keep on doing it no matter what. As always, this is gonna be JackUltraMotive signing this video off.
Standing in one singular line. You're all hopped up on
Yeah, that's fucked.